Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of V-La-Nessa. Today is our final day at Rio, and I'm just going to just walk you through and tell you my personal experience and how much I review this place. It is a five-star hotel, that's what they say, but I'm going to tell you whether it's a five-star or whether it's a one-star, four-star, whatever star it is. I'm just going to give you my honest opinion. So before I get into the video, guys, just please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. This is not going to be a very long video. It's just gonna be a to the point video, and I'm going to compile all of the fun stuff that you can do at Rio so that you can, compare and contrast with other hotels and, make a better decision. So, our first day at Rio, we were greeted by a glass of drinks, with liquor, and it was a welcome cocktail. And I must say that was very great. I never expected it, and it was so welcoming. The workers are very warm, very jovial, very playful, and we felt at home. So they carried our bag to our room and tell us the bare minimals. We got dressed and we went straight for lunch. And lunch was amazing. I had rice and peas, and I don't even remember what. It was so good. The coleslaw was so nice. I loved it. And we went to the pool. Even though it was raining, we went to the pool and we had a great time because the team enjoyed to put on activities to engage their customers or the person that is staying in the hotel, and I must say they did a very good job because they kept us entertained with their shenanigans and their fun activities, keeping us involved. I love that. We later went for dinner, and the appetizer for me was the best part. I had lasagna and I had to go for a second plate. I tried a lamb, first time having it, I didn't like it. I tried sushi the other day, first time having it, didn't like it. But I must say that the plating was very good. They made it very desirable, so I had to give it a try, but I wasn't so fond of it. We left there and we went karaoke, and that was fun. As I said, they kept us entertained. The next day we got up, we decided that we're going to do some fun activities on the beach, and almost everything was free except those that are not provided by the hotels. So we actually paid for a tubing, and that was out of this world. And we went kayaking and all those stuff. It was so amazing, guys. I tell you, they have everything to keep you entertained. I forgot to tell you about the breakfast. We have options upon options upon options. They had cereals, eggs, omelette, all you can name it. Everything that you know for breakfast was there: fruits, pancake, waffles, everything. So we left and we went for lunch after our activities. Lunch was amazing as usual. We went to the pool, and like yesterday, they had some afternoon activities in the pool, and that was amazing. In the night, they had some steel band performance. I love that. That was amazing. The dinners, it was okay. As I said, I am not used to these stuff, but I did enjoy the pineapple chicken and rice. The dessert, guys, all of the desserts are wonderful. I love them. The last day, which is today, I we wanted to stay another day. We weren't ready to leave because they kept us wanting more. We went to the front desk and we asked them how much is it to stay another night, and it was basically the same amount that we paid for 3 days. We would pay for the night and 2 days, and for us that didn't make any sense. So we went packing and head out. So, guys, overall, I give this hotel a 5 star. Real, big up your nice, clean self. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.